Hi, I'm Hannah, and I'm a developer on Galileo's curriculum and instruction team. I work year-round to create engaging STEAM projects to inspire your camper all summer long. Each day, your camper will have 3 rotations, each specially designed to foster innovation and creativity. Here's a sneak peek of some of the exciting things your camper will be doing this week in each one. In Innovator Studio, campers build creative confidence, turning their ideas into polished take-home projects. This week, Nebulas take off on a mission to the moon. One piece of space gear your camper will create is a wearable jetpack. They'll construct their jetpack's main compartment, add jets and straps, and decorate it with repeating patterns, making sure every detail is as sturdy as it is stylish. They'll practice being determined by seeing each step through to the finish, from the first fold to the final flourish. In Idea Lab, campers work collaboratively on daily design challenges. This week, your camper and their partner will rebuild the fallen cup kingdom. They'll explore how a wider base creates a more stable structure as they raise the tallest towers they can using just cups and craft sticks. They'll practice being collaborative by sharing ideas and pushing each other to go a little higher with every build. And in outdoor adventure, campers play exciting games, take on team-building challenges, and engage in traditional camp fun. This week, they'll play games like Freeze Dance with an innovative twist. They'll practice being visionary by brainstorming as many creative moves as they can and bringing their most original dance energy to the floor. We can't wait for your camper to experience these activities along with the rest of the awesome projects this week. And remember, at Camp Galileo, kids bring home much more than just their projects. They bring home the creative confidence and problem-solving skills they'll need to thrive.